Hello, good morning, students. We are discussing cost analysis. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss average total cost or average cost. Simple. What is average cost or average total cost? It is average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Average fixed cost और average variable cost का हम लोग total करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? Average total cost, or it is also known as average cost. Now, repeating, we have discussed two cost concepts in the earlier lectures. Average fixed cost, it is a downward sloping curve, but it does not touch any of the axis, neither x nor y. The curve is also known as rectangular hyperbola curve. Average variable cost, it falls in the beginning, which is at minimum level, and then rises very sharply. Falls क्यों हो रहा है? Below the normal capacity, output is below the normal capacity, which is at normal capacity, and then it rises very sharply. दो concept हमने discuss किए. Now, as average total cost is summation of average fixed cost and average variable cost, obviously average behavior of average cost or average total cost depends on behavior of average fixed cost and average variable cost. Average variable cost और average fixed cost का जो behavior है उसके ऊपर ही average total cost का behavior depend रहेगा. Okay, trying to understand. We will try to understand. We will try to understand. Okay, you can observe from the diagram, like it is like average variable cost falls in the beginning, which is at the minimum level, and then rises. We will discuss average total cost, behavior of average total cost in the three stages: first stage, second stage, and third stage. In the beginning, in the first stage, average variable fixed cost falls, average variable cost also falls. So as a result, average total cost falls. Okay, average fixed cost fall हो रहा है, average variable cost fall हो रहा है, तो obviously average total cost will also fall. Suppose AFC falls, AVC falls, therefore ATC also falls. Getting my point? Suppose A plus B is equal to C. Suppose A falls, B falls, obviously C will definitely fall. Clear? Average fixed cost is falling, average variable cost is falling, average total cost will also fall. Second stage is very important. Average fixed cost is still falling, average variable cost is rising. Okay, average AFC falls, AFC falls, AVC starts rising, just start rising, but average total cost is still falling. What is the reason? The reason is that fall in AFC is greater than rise in AVC. Okay, fall in AFC is more than rise in AVC. Suppose AFC falls by 10%, AVC rises by 10%, 5%, तो क्या होगा? ATC rises by 5%. Okay. A 10% fall हो रहा है, B 5% rise हो रहा है, तो C का क्या होगा? C will also rise by 5%. Getting my point? Second stage is very important. In the second stage, average fixed cost falls, average variable cost rises, just started rising. As a result, average total cost also falls. What is the reason? Fall in AFC is greater than rise in AVC. In the third stage, average fixed cost is still falling, average variable cost rises very sharply rise. So क्या होगा? Average total cost will also rises. What is the reason? The reason is that rise in AVC is more than fall in AFC. Suppose AFC falls by 10%, AVC rises by 20%, so क्या होगा, ATC will also rise by 10%. Simple. Okay, very simple. So this is the behavior of average total cost is also behavior of average variable cost. It is also U-shaped, falls in the beginning, reaches at minimum level and then rises. But उसको 3 स्टेज में हम लोगों ने एक्सप्लेन किया है. कैसे? In the first stage, AFC and AVC falls, ATC will also falls. In the second stage, AFC falls, AVC rises, but ATC falls. What is the reason? Fall in AFC is more than rise in AVC. In the third stage, AFC still falling, still falls, AVC rises sharply, ATC will also rise. What is the reason? The reason is that rise in AVC is more than fall in AFC. Okay, so this is the behavior pattern of average total cost. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.